don't. Sometimes you need it, then you don't, and you let go. Sometimes we rush it.
Салам достор, бүгүнкү видео пресс тууралуу болмокчу. Денеңиздин көрүкүн ачып турган бул пресс ички булчуң болуп эсептелинет. Сиз пресске берерден мурда бардык шартын билип алганыңыз дурус болот. Эми биринчиден эле биз көңүл бурчу нерсе бул тамак аш болуп эсептелинет. Эгер биз тамак ашка көңүл бурбасак, биз канчалык машыкпайбыз, жыйынтык болбойт. Негизи эле бардык адамда пресс болот. Пресстин сыртына май басып калгандыктан пресс көрүнбөй калат. Аны биз кантип жоготуу керек? Биз машыгып гана чектелбестен, тамак ашты дагы тыйып, кээ бир камыр майларды жебестен, ошол углевод тамактарды азайтыш керек. Кечкисин өтө көп тамак жебеш керек. Белок тамактарга көбүрөөк басым жасап, ошону менен жакшы жыйынтыктар болот деп ишенебиз. Азыркы биздин видео калган видеону көрүп, биз менен чогуу машыксаңыз болот. Жана биздин каналга жазылып, подписаться дегенди басып, комментарий калтырганды унутпаңыз.
Sometimes you just feel tired, feel weak, and when you feel weak, you feel like you want to just give up. But you gotta search within you, try to find that inner strength, and just pull that shit out of you, and get that motivation to not give up, and not be a quitter, no matter how bad you want to just fall flat on your face. Till I collapse, I'm spilling these raps, long as you feel them, till the day that I drop, you'll never say that I'm not killing them, cause when I am not, then I'ma stop pinning them, and I am not hip-hop, and I'm just not Eminem. Subliminal thoughts when I'ma stop sending them. Women are caught in web, spin them in hawk venom, adrenaline shots. The penicillin could not get the illin to stop. Amoxicillin's just not really no.
I don't think I won't hit you cause I'm popular. I got a P90 Ruger to pop at ya. Catch you slipping, I'ma give you what I got for ya. My clip loaded with 16 shots for ya. Never had a hot gun on your waist and blood on your shoe, cause a nigga wouldn't say the wrong shit to you. Homie, you ain't been through what I've been through. You not like me, and I'm not like you. I'm like an animal with it, when I spit it, it's crazy. Got semi-autos or bullhoes and niggas tryna play me. One shot is not enough, you need Lisa Uzi to move me. After 4 bottles of Dawn, the kids start feeling woozy. I write my life, you write what you seen in gangster movies. I'm gangster to the core, nigga, you can't move me. I find my space at the top, I got this rap shit locked. I never heard of you, you heard of me, I murder you. Space shelf to your convertible, Lotus, you know this. Rich or poor, hollow, still go through your door. This is war, you're scared of me, you're not prepared for me. The kid is back, 50 Cent, I know you like that.
The criminal cop killing hip-hop, filling a minimal swap to cop millions of pop listeners. You're coming with me, feel it or not, you're gonna fear it like I showed you. The spirit of God lives in us. You hear it a lot, lyrics to shock. Is it a miracle or am I just product of pop? Listen up, but sizzle my whistle, this is the plot. Listen up, this is for God, Slizzle does not give a fuck.
Comes off, till the lights go out, till my leg give out.
Sometimes you don't. Sometimes you need it, then you don't, and you let go. Sometimes we rush it, sometimes we fall. It doesn't matter, baby, we can take it real slow. Cause the way that we touch is something that we can't deny. And the way that you move, oh, you make me feel alive. Come on.
Don't want to die with me. Shame. 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 Don't want to die with me. The shame, the one 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 to die with me. The one to die with me. The shame, 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 the one to die with me.